Hi, this is Jaylene from WTI, and I want to show you this cute crossbody bag that I found perfect for everyday use. So what I really love about this bag is that it's not too big or too small, and it's big enough where you can fit your phone, and it has this cute little zipper in the middle, perfect enough to fit cash or some credit cards if you don't want to carry around your big wallet. And it's also big enough to fit a pair of sunglasses, some makeup, a hand sanitizer, and even your car keys or house keys. And it also has this cute little magnet closure in the front. And I also love that it has an adjustable strap, so if you want to make it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, it's perfect enough. And I also love that the color is neutral brown color, and you can use it for an everyday occasion. So I would definitely recommend this bag if you're looking for something small yet practical, but that's just my point of view.